Here we have a 70 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK ECOBLUE. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the wide arch kit on this vehicle. We have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, the front lower nudge bar as well, and there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition just down there. We do also have the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We have the grey door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Roof rails up top with the antennae. We also have the rear truck bay cover. We have the rear spoiler, front and rear parking sensors. We also have the mud flaps, as you can see down there as well. Coming around to the rear, you find the tow bar at the back. We also have the Ranger stickers across the bottom just here. Now we just open this up, we do have a handle so we can pull it up like so. Then also for the bottom half, you can see we have plenty of space inside of there. Let's close that back. And then come back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look at the interior, so inside of the back first, you can see we have the leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre, we have the orange stitching, fixed ISO points as well back here. We do also have the WILDTRAK floor mats just there. We have the electric windows and the doors. And again at the front, the same leather seats with the WILDTRAK logo embroidered on each one. Both front seats are heated and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, and there is a look at them. We do have the electric windows with child lock for the rear, the electric power folding mirrors, automatic lights and automatic wipers, and multifunctional steering wheel. And just take a seat inside. You find the two digital screens either side of the dashboard. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up for us. We've got the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the left, along with the cruise control and speedometer on the right. We also have the lane assist on that stalk there. And you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. Now we can change the screens by using either the right or the left hand side of the steering wheel for each screen. So we do have the media options with the entertainment, we have the navigation and also phone connectivity. Then on the right you'll find we have the digital speedo, we also have the chip computer and all these other options just here as well. Now we do have the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. It is touchscreen, so click onto home, you find all the other options will load up just here. So you find we have the audio, which is where you find the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio and the CD player. We have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, phone connectivity, we have the mobile apps as well just here. Click onto the settings, you find all the other options which you can scroll through. We have the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further across you find even further features, so we do have the ambient lighting just here as well. Again further down you find the climate control with the physical buttons, ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well either side, all working as they should do. Two 12-volt connectivities, we also have two USB ports. We then have the traction control button, the rear differential lock, hill control, hill descent assist. We have the parking sensors and also the auto start button. Two-wheel and four-wheel high and low settings. We have the automatic gearbox. Put it into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Back into park, we then have the manual handbrake, cup holders and also the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, a fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not being off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the volume button and phone connectivities on the left. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control buttons on the right. Two digital screens either side of the dashboard, which can show at different displays with some information. Now just see it on the walk around video. If you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice the'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings, and the driver's seat is also electrically adjustable. We also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. The main infotainment screen in the centre is currently showing the sat-nav, also has other features on there, again you would have seen on the photos, such as the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and much more. Below there we have the climate control with the air-to-cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. We also have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth through all of the gears. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow it down, and then we'll make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen, back it into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.